Good afternoon everybody, this is Mushtaba Driving School and Driver Training. Just parked outside Enfield Test Centre. From here I'm going to demonstrate how to turn right from here, then a few roundabouts from here to Waltham Cross and the roundabout. So if you got tests coming up and this video might be useful or just want to improve your driving, so I hope you found this video useful. So let's start from here. So how to pass your driving safe first time and how to drive safely. Okay, so here we stop here, just do the 6-point check and signal right. Then after that, then get to that junction, so mirror, signal right, position to the right hand side. And at this point the road marking is faded, so obviously it's a giveaway line. So you look right, left, right, double check if it's safe, then turn right. Okay, so this is the first roundabout coming up. At this roundabout I'm going to turn left. So first exit, apply the MSP cell routine, middle mirror, left mirror, signal left, position yourself to the left hand side, gentle brake, look to the right if it's safe, continue. Then make sure to straighten the wheel first, then cancel signal, continue. Now the speed limit change to 40, then continue. Okay? Okay, so now we're going uphill, so we need to apply the acceleration to not slow down, and we can see the speed limit changing from 40 to 30. So we check our mirrors and then slightly off the gas. At this point the examiner might ask you to turn right, so check middle mirror, right mirror. Once you pass the road, signal right. Then at the traffic light we are going right, so stay in the right lane. Then a gentle brake here. So we are going right, but at this junction, as we turn right, the two lanes split to one lane. So you're in the right lane, they split to one lane after the traffic light. So as you turn, make sure you check your left mirror. The cars might come from the left hand side. And also the other thing you need to remember, we are turning right, but make sure the direction we are traveling there's a space to go. And we got a yellow box junction in the middle of the road, so make sure as we turn right not to stop onto the yellow box junction. If our light is green and we can see there is no space the direction we travel, we must stop behind the green light, even though the light is green, but there is not space the direction you are traveling. Okay, so now continue, but look at the left mirror. Once you turn, stay more to the right side. Then here, check your left mirror. There you go. Then continue. Beautiful. Okay. So now we got a zebra crossing first. So we got to make sure. Look at the zebra crossing. And this is about 3 weeks ago here. They put new crossing. Have a look. Beautiful. Now we are approaching at this little roundabout. At this roundabout I'm going to turn right, second exit, but I can stay on the left lane to turn right. And also we got a yellow box junction here, so make sure we don't stop onto the yellow box junction. So at this point, middle mirror, right mirror, signal right, and if there's a space, go forward. and just gentle brake here. So look to the right hand side. So when it's safe, then we can turn right. So nice and slow, give yourself a space to look to the right hand side. 1, 2, 3, yeah. So now middle mirror, left mirror, signal left, position to the left hand side, then look at the light. Passing signal. The speed changes from here from 30 to 40. So mirrors and progress, and the road is bendy a bit. And we are approaching at the roundabout here. Roundabout, we are going ahead second exit, and the speed limit changed from 40 to 30. We can see that. So where we got the light are a pedestrian crossing. So pedestrian crossing, then after the pedestrian crossing we have a giveaway lane. So this roundabout coming up known as KFC roundabout, and this roundabout, it is not controlled traffic light from this direction. If you're coming from Cheshunt, yes, the roundabout control with the traffic light. So you might ask a question, how do we know the roundabout control with the traffic light? So if you see the light is at the end of the beginning of the roundabout, then if you see solid white line, now we got a broken white line, so that means the roundabout is not controlling traffic light. Now middle mirror, left mirror, signal left, continue. Good. So that speed is at 30. It used to be 40, now it is at 30. So sometimes when you drive, the cars keep beeping, so don't rely on the car speed. So you have to look at the signs and road markings. Now you've got a yellow box junction here, so make sure there's space on the other side. Yes, if yes, you go. Okay. And at this roundabout, I'm going to turn left at first exit. Okay, so middle mirror, left mirror, signal left, position to the left hand side, and look, the roundabout here, control the traffic light, and we're going all the way to the left side. That's it. There you go. Good. And I'm going to turn left at this Wicks car park. Middle mirror, left mirror, signal left, position to the left, and gentle brake. Nice and slow, really slowly braking. That turn. Beautiful. There you go. Thank you guys. I hope you found this short video useful. If you like the video, please like, share, subscribe for more content like this, and have a